Hi everyone, welcome to the offline session. All right, I hope every one of you already prepare your your Pianika because we are going to use this today in our offline session. Okay, as I promised you last week that in this week we are going to learn about three notes in our pianica, our first three notes. Okay. Um, and what are the fingers that we are going to use in this pianica? Are you ready? Let's check it out. All right, here we go. Uh, let's see. So let's try to recognize your keyboard pattern in here. Okay. Uh, in pianica or in piano, if you can see, the patterns appear like this. Okay, there are two black keys, three black keys, and then repeat again, two black keys, three black keys. But in this pianica, your one and my one too, we start with the three black keys here, and then two black keys, and then three black keys, and then two black keys, and then three black keys. Okay, but how we see this pattern is 2 3 2 3, like that, right? Like this, 2 3 2 3. All right, why we need to know this pattern? Because the first three notes that we are going to play is around these two black keys. Okay. um let's move forward. We are going to focus on these three notes here, which is around the two black keys, right? The notes are C, D, and E. We are going to treat this C as our Do. Okay? So when you play the C, it's going to be your Do. And D, it's going to be your Re. And E, it's going to be your Mi. All right? C, D, and E. This is our first three notes. Here we go. And if it shows in notation, it will looks like this. Notation. Okay, notation is like the alphabet of music, right? If in language, in Bahasa or in English, you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In music, we have this, we call this music notation, right? This is the music notation. And this is the C, D, and E music notation that we are going to use. Okay, we call this a middle C. And here we go. After the C, we're going up, which is to the D, and then we're going up again to the E. Okay, how to find it? Find your first two keys, two black keys, and then this is it, the C. All right, for the piano fingering, we are using both of our hands, but in pianica, we only use right hand. Remember, in pianica, we only use right hand, your right hand. And the number of your right hand is, your thumb is your finger 1, index finger is finger 2, middle finger is finger 3, ring finger is your fourth finger, and pinky is your fifth finger. Remember that. Okay, let's move forward. And here we go. The For your first three notes, C, D, and E, we are going to use these three fingers here, right? Finger number 1, number 2, and number 3. Thumb, index, middle. Okay, so this is how we use this. All right. Okay, I'm going to show you how it looks like if I do this in Pianika. Let's check it out. Okay, this is how it looks like if I do this in Pianika. First two black keys, this is where your middle C, right? And then E, and then E. Sorry, C, D, E, right? Only these three fingers. Do, re, mi. All right, let's try this in a notation, shall we? Here we go. Okay, remember, this is your C, 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 D, D, E, E, D, C. Right, let's try this. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One more time. Nice. Let's try the second line. Okay. C, D, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C. Let's try this. One more time. All right. Okay. Let me change the camera first. Okay. So you can try that again. Okay. You can replay my video and try that again. And don't forget to open the PDF file and have a try with the notes. Okay. C, D, and E. Remember? Find your first two black keys, and then that's where your first C and D and E note. Okay. So thank you everyone for today. Don't forget to practice, and I'm going to see you next week for our online session. Bye bye.